Alright, so Lowe's is currently blowing these kits out, and I've been trying to find a review of them, couldn't really find anything. I thought this would be a great kit to have on my boat. It's got pretty much everything you could need for a little kit to just grab and go. And currently they're blowing them out for $25. The app says a lot of stores don't have them, but I walked into mine and there were like 10 stacked there. And same thing with another store I checked. So definitely go check out Lowe's, see if they have this. But yeah, let's open it up, see what it looks like. All right, so open it up. Everything is nicely laid out. What I do like is that it's got this whole set of nut drivers. I know a lot of people don't like these, but I actually, in terms of bits, think they're very useful. They get a lot of use from me, more than your standard bits here. But there's like a good selection of bits, Torx and hex. They're pretty useful. Got your Allen keys. Oh, I think this is a ratcheting screwdriver. Not bad, pretty nice. So it is just one ratchet, but it's got an adapter, so they've got 3/8 and 1/4 inch sockets in this set, one 3-inch adapter. And I think they said this is one of their 90 tooth ratchets. Yeah, 90 tooth. Feels pretty smooth. It's a good size. It's like a smaller 3/8, I would say, but not bad. Everything seems to snap into place pretty nice. You got deeps and shallows. So you've got 10 to 17 with no 12 or 16 on the metric side for deeps, and 3/8 to 11/16 for SAE, and then 3/8 to 13/16 and 5/32 to 7/16 for the 1/4 inch. And for the metric, you've got 10 to 19. And then up here, I guess you've got, I think these are 12 points. Yeah, these are your 12-point sockets up here. So there's an assortment of them. 3/16 to 7/16, 6, 8, 10, and 5 to 10 for short. Half, 9/16, 5/8, and 11/16. So it's a nice set overall. I'm pretty happy with it. I think this will be, like I said, something great to have on the boat. It's really small. The case seems pretty sturdy. Everything seems to stay in place pretty well. But yeah, I mean, you can't really beat that for 25 bucks. Even the Harbor Freight stuff isn't that nice or that cheap. And if you shake it around, everything seems to stay in place. So, yep, till next time. See you guys.